So what's this big hack you have here?
All right, guys. So I'm going to show you guys this font hack that I have been using. Now, I'm just showing you this. It's not for you to go out and, use it to in a way you're not supposed to. So this is just for educational purposes. I'm going to show you guys a cool little hack. So this is pretty cool. So what you're going to do is you're going to come on here. You're going to go to find your font on myfonts.com. And as you can see, some of these fonts are actually priced from $32 and some are higher, some are lower. Obviously, we don't want to spend that $32. So we're going to figure out a way so we can use this font without having to spend those $32. So I'll go ahead. I actually went ahead and typed my text here, Batty Max. I'm going to go ahead and find the style that I want. I like this style right here. So what I'm going to do, Brady, I'm going to take a screenshot with the keyboard. I'm going to go ahead and click the print screen, which is right above the insert key next to the F12. Perfect. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up my paint program. Just a regular paint program. This is the app that every Windows computer has, so that you don't need to be no expert. And then you're gonna go here, you're gonna click paste, because what you did is you copied the screen, you took a screenshot of the screen that I showed you previously, and you click paste. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this little tool right here, this one right here that's gonna crop. You're gonna grab it, you're gonna hold your mouse button down. You gotta make sure you grab the text. The mouse button down, you're gonna go across. You're gonna make sure you grab the text. You're gonna go ahead and go up here and you're gonna crop the text. Now you're asking me, well, what is the purpose of that? I'm gonna show you guys what the hack actually is. So the hack is this: if you make this any bigger, you're gonna lose resolution, which is why you need this in a vector file. That's a whole different video, but a vector file is pretty much a high resolution file that can be opened with Illustrator and it's not gonna lose its resolution. So right now, if I was to download this, it would lose resolution. Now, with this software that I have right here, which you guys can actually find a link to the channel to be able to get this for free, again, for educational purposes, you can download Vector Magic for free in the following video. I'll go ahead and click the button below. In the description, there's also a link. And what you're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna save that video, that picture, that we put together. And I'm gonna save it to my desktop, and I'm gonna name this Brady, just for sample. We're gonna close that. We're gonna come back here, and then we're gonna find that image that we just named Brady, which is right on my desktop, as we did earlier. We're gonna go ahead and find it. We're gonna find where it says Brady. There it is. And now check this out. This is what I was telling you guys, that this is what happens if you were to make.
Oh, yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
So now watch this, guys. You click fully automatic on this software right here called Vector Magic, which you could find the link right below this video. And you're gonna click fully automatic. And watch this. It's gonna go ahead and smooth the result. And now check this out. Look at this.
Nice.
So now once you review the color, you're good to go. You click Save As. You can save it in PDF, EPS, AI, whatever format. I'm gonna save it as EPS. I'm gonna name it Brady. I'm gonna go to my Photoshop and open up the Photoshop. And I'm gonna look for that file that says Brady. The EPS, not the one we made, but the one that we just saved from the previous software.
What's the EPS file?
The EPS file is actually it's an extension of the vector file that I actually moved over from Vector Magic onto
because myself, which is not a big graphic designer, I always save everything as a JPEG or a PNG.
An EPS file is actually an Adobe Creative. It's a graphics file saved in an encapsulated photo script EPS file format. It may contain 2D or vector. It's pretty much a vector file. That's all it really is. Now,
and a vector file is a transparent file?
No, as a high resolution file.
Oh, okay.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it and show you exactly what it looks like as a high resolution. So I'm gonna show you guys the original version. This is the original version that we first saved when we very first started the video and took a screenshot. And it's actually loading right now. You guys got it. And this is what I'm talking about. You guys to zoom in, you lose resolution. Meaning if you were to blow this up to, let's just say, to print it like on a wall, it would look blurry. It wouldn't look good.
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and open the EPS file that we've created. I'm gonna go ahead and click Brady. I'm gonna actually keep this at 300 resolution, 150. I'll do 300. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 300. Make sure we do RGB, red, green, blue windows of one color, 300. And we're gonna go ahead and open that file up. And as you guys can see, it's loading. And there it is. So now watch this. Now I can grab a simple eraser tool, the magic eraser. Magic erase all the white areas I want from here. And that's it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna close the previous file so we don't get it confused. Now I'm gonna go ahead and right click on here. I'm gonna go to blending options to blend in the text. This is Photoshop, guys. I don't expect you guys to know all of this. I'm just showing you guys some of the options you guys can do. You click color overlay, which color overlays the color of what you already have. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in white. Perfect, perfect. Now if I was to grab this, check this out. Look how crispy this file looks. See that big difference?
Yeah.
So now I can input it into whatever file I'm gonna put it on, which would be a picture, a banner, or any promotional product. So with that being said, guys, that's what it does. That's what it teaches you, and this is what the software does. It makes the files super extra crispy without losing resolution. So hope you guys enjoyed this
anybody
video.
can use that for any picture or just for text?
You can do any picture you want. Obviously, if it's more complicated, you have to kind of play with the software and move things around. For now, this tutorial is just to show you the basic font. I'll go ahead and do a picture one on the next tutorial. You know, and you guys can come and check it out. But if you guys want this software for free, as I said, for educational purposes, go ahead and click on the video below. And I'll go ahead and send you guys some information on how you guys can download this and have it for your own personal use.
All right, looks good.
All right, guys. Well, thank you very much. If you guys want to go ahead and follow me, go ahead and follow me at Yanez online, and you guys can follow Brady Theodore. Brady Theodore, you want to drop your channels into this?
Just BradyTheodore.com is fine with me.
All right, guys, check him out, BradyTheodore.com, and I want to say thank you, Mr. Brady Theodore, for having me on your channel. Showing a little bit of some graphic design.
Oh, you are the graphic designer, so thanks for the tip.
All right, guys. I got a phone call.
Okay, hey, that's good enough.
My Bitcoin has crushed.